Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. Children, today we'll discuss about comparison of fractions. Children, you have already learnt how to compare whole numbers and find out which is greater or smaller. In the same way, fractions can also be compared. So first we discuss about comparison of like fractions. Like fraction means, children, you always remember that denominators are same. You know, this is numerator and this is denominator. Here you see all denominators are 4. So these are like fractions. Okay. But now, which one is greater one and which one is smaller one, we find out. Children, you remember when the denominators are the same, the fraction with the greater numerator is bigger. So here you see among 2 and 3. Means 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Here denominators are same but numerators are different. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. 2 is less than 3 or 3 is greater than 2. So definitely 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. Or we can write like this: 2 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. Clear? Then comparing unit fractions. Children, what is unit fraction? The fractions whose denominators are different, maybe same or different, but numerators are always 1. Their fractions are known as unit fractions. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, like this. Okay. So here we compare. First you see this diagram. Okay. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Children, always you mark whose diagram is same. This diagram is different. This is smaller one and this is greater one. But we have to compare, so we put the diagram equal in size. Okay, these two diagrams are equal in size. So first one we compare 1 by 2, means out of 2 parts, one part is shaded. Then second one is 1 by 3, means total 3 parts are there. One part is shaded. Out of 3 parts, one part is shaded. So among these two figures, which is greater one and which is smaller one? From this figure we can say 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Because this part is greater one from this part. So what we observe? We observe that the unit fraction with a bigger denominator is smaller in value as compared to the unit fraction with a smaller denominator. So 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 3. Clear? Then arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Means ascending order means smallest to largest we arrange. Children, these are like fractions. So which is the smallest numerator? That fraction is also smallest. So 1 by 5 is smallest one. Then 8 by 5 is biggest one. Like this we can arrange in descending order, just opposite of ascending order. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Here unit fractions are there, children. You observe. So as the unit fractions with bigger denominators are smaller, in value. So we get bigger denominators means here you see all the denominators 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. 6 is the greatest denominator, so 1 by 6 is smallest one. Then 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Clear? So just you remember the two rules. The rules of unit fractions and the rules of like fractions. Clear? According to this rule, we discuss my practice time 2. One number, use diagrams to find which is greater and write smaller or greater than symbol or sign. 1 has been done for you. 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Which is greater one? Children, we know this is unit fraction. So 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. So here you said it. First one is for 1 by 3 and second one is for 1 by 5. 1 by 3 means out of 3 parts you have to select one part, and 1 by 5 means total 5 parts are there. You have to select only one part. So like this, a bit B, C, D, E, F. First you find out which one is greater one and which one is smaller one. Then you do the figure like this. Okay. 2 number. Look at the following diagrams. Color the required number of parts and say which is greater. So here children, 2 bits are there, means a bit, 2 fractions are there. Okay. You put color. Okay. Means 1 by 2, out of 2 parts, 1 part you have to select. Then out of 3 parts you have to select 1 part. Then you write which one is greater one and which one is smaller one. Then 3 number, compare the following fractions: greater than, smaller than and equal to sign. Very easy. 3a bit. 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Which one is greater one? Yes, 2 by 4, because this is like fraction. So 2 is greater than 1. So 2 by 4 is greater 1. Like this children, you compare all the bits. Then 4 number, find and circle the greater of the fractions in each case. So here you see, check which one is greater one, then you circle that greater fraction. So children, after 4 number you complete this exercise. My practice time 2 is your homework. Okay, you complete it at your copy. Thank you.